Hello everyone, and welcome to Mind, Body, and Balance. Today we'll transform your homes into serene and healthy havens. Have you ever thought about adding plants to your home? They're powerful tools for improving air quality and removing toxins. Research shows that indoor plants can significantly reduce stress and offer numerous health benefits. In today's video, we'll share 12 of the healthiest plants to have in your home for a healthier lifestyle. Let's begin. Our first plant is a beloved friend, aloe vera. This healing plant loves bright spots, making it a perfect addition to your kitchen windowsill. Aloe vera diligently removes formaldehyde and benzene found in common household products, creating a healthier environment. Plus, it's low maintenance, ideal for new plant parents. Next up is the snake plant, a unique and resilient companion. Its sculptural form adds a touch of modern elegance to any room. This plant improves your home's appearance and purifies the air, even at night. The snake plant is a natural warrior against toxic pollutants, allowing you to breathe deeply and rest peacefully, perfect for a truly healthy living space. Let's welcome the bamboo plant, also known as the butterfly palm. Its graceful fronds sway gently, bringing a sense of tranquility to your home. It filters out benzene and formaldehyde while also serving as a natural humidifier. Just place it in bright, indirect light and you're good to go. Now let's talk about a true champion, the pothos. It's sturdy, low maintenance, and thrives without direct sunlight, making it perfect for those without a green thumb. This plant is a champion at removing harmful toxins like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide from the air. Pothos truly embodies the spirit of effortless well-being. Let's admire the rubber tree. Isn't it captivating with its glossy leaves, adding a touch of sophistication to your space? The rubber tree is also a powerful air purifier, transforming dangerous toxins into harmless substances. It requires minimal care, thriving in both low and indirect light. Next, we have the ZZ plant, a low-maintenance gem that brings a touch of the exotic to your home. The ZZ plant boasts unique medicinal properties and has been used to help soothe earaches. It's also highly resistant to pests and diseases, making it an excellent indoor plant choice. Now let's welcome the elegant Dracaena. Its slender stems and vibrant foliage add a touch of drama and verticality to any room. Dracaena helps prevent headaches and respiratory issues by diligently removing harmful chemicals from the air. Just be cautious if you have pets, as it's toxic to cats and dogs. It's time to meet the trendy Monstera deliciosa. With its large, stunning leaves, it's no wonder this plant has taken the interior design world by storm. Monstera deliciosa is also a champion air purifier, actively trapping dust and other particles. It's a testament to the fact that beauty and functionality can coexist harmoniously. Let's pause and admire the string of pearls, a plant that truly embodies delicate beauty. Imagine its delicate strands cascading from a hanging planter, like a waterfall of green pearls. String of pearls is known for its ornamental beauty and stress-reducing properties. Hang it high in a sunny spot to enjoy its charm safely. Spider plant, the prolific purifier. Now let's talk about a true household favorite, the spider plant. It's highly effective at removing indoor pollutants like carbon monoxide, creating a healthier environment. And because it's non-toxic, it's safe to have around kids and pets. Jade plant, a symbol of good fortune. Let's welcome the jade plant, a symbol of good luck and prosperity in many cultures. The jade plant increases humidity and purifies the air even at night. It's a perfect choice for your bedroom. Ficus lyrata, the elegant multitasker. Finally, let's admire the Ficus lyrata, a favorite among interior designers for its sculptural beauty and air-purifying qualities. It diligently works to control humidity, trap dust, and purify the air, helping to prevent common illnesses. It's a perfect example of how incorporating nature into our homes can lead to a healthier and happier life. Embrace the joy of greenery. As we conclude our journey through the world of indoor plants, I encourage you to embrace the joy of greenery in your homes. Indoor plants not only beautify your home, but also enhance your physical and mental well-being. A clean and pure environment promotes a sense of calm and relaxation, If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We can't grow this channel without your support. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.